Good morning. Are you interested in engineering? Still confused to choose the right course? Here ends your search. Watch this video till the end. It might give you a clear insight about the department. Let me introduce myself. Myself, Jayaraman Govindswamy, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Francis Xavier Engineering College, Tirunelveli. I'm gonna talk about electronics and communication engineering. More precisely, what is electronics and communication engineering? Features of electronics and communication engineering, scope, career opportunities, recent trends and advancements in electronics and communication engineering. So, without wasting your time, let's dig deep into the presentation. An interesting fact, you know, every 1 out of 8 engineers graduated every year has been a proud ECE engineer. Sounds good? Of course, a proud moment, but the real proud is to be a successful in their career too. A question every aspirant's scratching their heads. What is ECE? Let's see what is ECE. ECE is a discipline that uses scientific knowledge of the characteristic behavior of semiconductors and devices whose operating voltage is very low and ensures communication between devices. It may be wired or wireless. Also, it encompasses many subfields that could be sensors and transducers, robotics, nanotech, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, embedded system, mechatronics, etc. Now, let's see the impacts of technological transformation that that is what we have passed through the over the years. Okay. Guess what? Can you guess this image? I hope many of you have got it. Have you got it? Yes, you are right. It's ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first electronic general purpose computer during the period of 1946. At the time, the vacuum tube was used. After then, the transistor has become so popular. See how drastically the information has changed, how drastically the information has happened. Let's see. Nowadays, the general purpose computer shrunk the size over the years. After VLSI has emerged, the size of the general purpose computer has shrunk over in a palm size. The computer has been within a palm size. Now our computers are so thin, light, incredibly fast, and better in performance too. Have you noticed this? Yes, cool gadget. It has been a famous icon in earlier this century. Yes, it's Nokia 3310. It became so popular as soon as it is launched. It is well known for its solidarity, also for durability. Now look into your phone. Doesn't your phone look so beautiful? It has lot of features, sleek, beautiful. You can do a lot more with your smartphone. Like you can play video and shoot video as well with HD resolution. You can use it for document editing, music, navigation, mail, chat, video call, and so on. Next, it is our TV. This is our old cathode ray tube based TV. As you could see, the rotary switch with the narrow bandwidth limits the number of channels up to 10 or less. See how our TV has changed now. Those picture tubes, CRT, is being replaced by LED screen with ultra high definition and millions of colors in detail with OLED display. Next, yeah, the bulb, one of the greatest inventions. See how transformed this to now. Yeah, it's an evolutionary change, a cool product available in all colors called smart bulb. LED has a source of emission. It has an inbuilt Wi-Fi that can be controlled from anywhere through internet, and it has become very popular after IoT has emerged. Yes, now it's a wristwatch. Let's see how transformed this to. Yes, our wristwatch becomes smartwatch, kind of wearables loaded with apps. It's very smart. You can do almost everything what you can do with your mobile. Also, it can track our day-to-day activities and monitor health by checking your heart rate, blood pressure, and etc. Yes, it's a must-have gadget for a continuous health monitors. Now, our AICT, All India Council for Technical Education, predicts the following emerging areas will have a very good scope in future. Those were artificial intelligence, IoT, blockchain, robotics, quantum computing, data sciences, cybersecurity, 3D printing and design, augmented reality, and virtual reality. See, out of which 6 out of 9 areas, however, are ECE department directly involved and contributes much more than any other department. So it is a pure sign of good scope for future ECE engineers. Scope of ECE. Unlike other departments, ECE is a very fascinating and interesting field to be pursuing, and its versatile nature offers flexibility in career options like IT sector, where you can find a major opportunities like a full stack developer, data analyst, network engineer, testing engineer, etc. The next sector would be telecom. Yes, telecom. The sector gives huge opportunities like telecom engineer, network engineer, site engineer, inspection engineer, service engineer, product engineer, design engineer, and research and development, and so on. The next, satellite. Yes, in this field, communication is vital between earth station to satellite and satellite to a station. Frequencies used here are microwave ranges. So definitely ECU students has a major role in it. The very next is biomedical, the fastest growing sector. See, nowadays the diagnostic equipments all are fancy and are electronics. So healthcare is also a major recruiter of EC. You'll get an opportunities like service engineer, design engineer, like R&D, research and development. They are actually creating new products and innovative products, marketing engineer, and so on. The next is automobile sector. One could have a very good opportunity in automobile sector too. Nowadays, students with electronics background are highly demand in automobile sector. I'll tell you why later. The final one, robotics. All have become automated now, and our manual work has been reduced and it has been replaced by robots. So the future scope in robotics are highly expected. So the scope of our EC department is broader and anyone can choose the any area of their interest as a career. Now it's career options. Now let's talk about the career options exclusively for electronics and communication engineers. Career options could be public sector, government sector, or private sector. So, what do you know about public sector? Public sector units are categorized by three different criteria. Those are Maharatna companies, that is 10 Maharatna companies, 14 Navaratna companies, Miniratna companies, and Miniratna companies are further classified into two different categories, that is category 1 and category 2. 61 category 1 companies, 12 category 2 companies. So altogether 97 public sectors, those are government undertaken. These PSUs are dream of every engineering students. One can grab this offer after passing gate entrance examination. Okay, PSUs recruiting through gate. When I think about PSUs, these are the few comes into my picture like Bell, BHEL, Bharat Electronics, IOC, Hindustan Aeronauticals, MTNL, ONGC, SAIL, and so on. They will offer a great package with advantage government, benefits of perks, bonuses, allowance, etc. Government jobs. Everyone now dying for government jobs. I hereby listed few government sectors recruiting engineers by announcing vacancies. Those government sectors are ISRO, DRDO, BARC, NPCIL, BSNL, Tangentco, and railways, etc. Government jobs. What would be the salary? The minimum salary it ranges from 56,000 to 1.7 lakhs per month. Major recruiters of few government sectors are aligned here. They offer a great package with advantage government. Benefits includes like perks, bonuses, allowance. Once you enter, you will enjoy all benefits with peaceful life. Also, you will be societally recognized. Top paying jobs for electronics profile. Here are the giants of core companies, and these guys are the top players. Yeah, you can see the companies I listed here are the legends on their own. Getting jobs here are equally competitive to government sectors. Here, salaries are not a concern. If you deserve more, you will have more. It is possible to have more than 15 lakh CTC too. Here we have a cluster of legendary players of core sectors like Qualcomm, AMD, National Instruments, Texas Instruments, Intel, Honeywell, Broadcom, Cadence, etc. Are you keen about microcontrollers, transistors, circuits, sensors, actuators, VLSI, embedded? No doubt your choice has to be easy. Don't hesitate. Workplace environment at core. People think only IT company has sophisticated environment at workplace. It's time to change your mind. Even core company too has even more well sophisticated workplace environment. So workplace be like in your core companies. Here we have a couple of workplaces that has a stunning infrastructure. As you could see, Cadence at Noida, Honeywell at Hyderabad, Intel at Bangalore, Qualcomm at Hyderabad, Bosch at Bangalore, Office at Honeywell. See, the place of everyone's dream to sit here. Who doesn't want to work here? It's a place of heaven. Everybody would love, no, would die to work here. Help the environment. Despite your hard work, you can spend some time in games. Also, you can stretch sometimes to yourself to stay fit and young. Definitely, you'll just love to work here. Career at IT, Information Technology. IT sector is open for all stream engineers if you are passionate enough, no matter what branch you have studied and you have come from. Since programming requires good understanding of analytical skills like math and physics, and electronic students can be a master in it. Let's say an example. If you are trying to write an embedded code for the sensor-based automation door, an ECE engineer who already know the concepts of microcontrollers, actuators, sensors, relays, motors, he won't take much time to write a program. Interesting slide. Did you know Mr. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, is a dash engineer? Can you guess? Is he a mechanical or is he a computer science? IT? No, he's a metallurgical engineer. Next, Mr. Satya Nadella. I hope you all know about him. He's the CEO of Microsoft. He's an electrical engineer. And finally, Mr. Rajiv Suri, the CEO of Nokia. He's an electronics and communication engineering. That's the best part. He is our own department. Career at automobile sector. Now you are just looking at car. A simple car. How a car turned out to be a smart. Do we need a magic? No. Needs innovation. Let's see how innovation transforms a car into smart. Cars with features like airbag. I hope as you might be aware of this airbag. Definitely it's a life-saving feature. ABS and another feature, it is an anti-brake lock system. A must-have feature, no one can deny it. Next feature, sunroof, a luxury feature for panoramic view. Park assist, it will assist you to drive reverse with the help of camera and sensors like ultrasonic laser, etc. Keyless entry, one can lock and unlock remotely using this wireless connectivity enabled key. And finally, power steering. Handling steering is not so tough like it was before. Can you imagine a car without these features? Definitely a worst nightmare. Once adding these features into a car can provide safety, luxury, and performance too. So this is how a luxury smart car can be. It ensures the comfort, protection, and performance. So altogether with all these features in a simple car makes a smart luxury car. So the features we seen before has a major part of electronics. A microcontroller, sensor, actuators, signal conditioners, communication devices between plays this game very well. Who knows this very well more than us? Only ECE are best part in this. Major breakthrough technologies, few of them are One among them are PSLV C-37. Yes, ISRO has made a historical attempt to launch 104 satellites in a single mission using PSLV C-37. Yeah, historical record. Drone technologies. A drone is an unmanned aircraft like a flying robot that can be controlled remotely. Applications like logistics, shipping, surveillance, power plant inspection, geographical mapping, disaster management. Already logistics has Amazon, Flipkart has already started using delivering their products using drone. Next, a very powerful weapon that US Navy has tested very recently, a high energy laser weapon that can destroy an aircraft in the middle. That means it could wipe out drones and small boats with a single strike in seconds. Autonomous car. An autonomous vehicle is very intelligent and capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. It combines with a variety of sensors to perceive their surroundings. Artificial intelligence (AI). It refers to a simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans. Interestingly, you could have already seen in a Tamil movie Indiran. Alexa, a virtual assist, an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant that can interact through our voice commands. Also, it can control several smart devices using internet. Virtual assistants examples: Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Next, GPS. Google Maps is a web mapping services developed by Google. It offers 360-degree interactive panoramic view of streets, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for traveling. Geographical Information System, simply GIS, which provides the ability to capture and analyze spatial and geographical data. 5G wireless technology, which is meant to deliver high speed of data rate up to 20 gigabytes per second with negligible latency and improved efficiency for smart communication. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Uh, Applications used to this virtual reality and augmented realities are medical, education, navigation, gaming, retail, urban design, etc. Conclusion. Being an engineering student, you must develop some practical skill in your field of interest. Without a strong technical knowledge, it is impossible to get placed anywhere. I would suggest to utilize all laboratory classes seriously. That makes you to understand the key concepts easily. Also, get exposed to the opportunities in various modes at right time like industrial visits, seminars, workshops, mini projects and internships. Besides technical knowledge, one must improve their skills in analytical skill, problem solving, people management, critical thinking, and communication skills. With the recent advancements in technologies, most of the industries are beginning to adopt machine learning, Industry 4.0, robotics and automation, smart energy systems, Internet of Things into their process. No doubt, opportunities will knock you door in all directions. So be passionate to choose electronics and communication engineering. All the very best students. Get your mission successful. Thank you so much. Thanks. I would like to thank the management for the opportunity given to me. Thanks.
Francis Xavier Engineering College, Vannarpete, Tirunelveli, is one of the best autonomous NBA accredited institutions in Tamil Nadu. The college is awarded with Gold category by AICTE CII survey for 2 consecutive years. FX provides holistic education and enhanced skill training to make its students industry ready. Unbeatable placement record, cutting-edge research, state-of-the-art applied labs are the hallmark of FX ECE. Get enrolled and experience unlimited learning.